Westview and Bellevue. We got few. So do it before showtime.
And the one them you think could give you a strength in a way you believe in and the same one them will try to dim your shine and I try stop you endeavor. But I know me alone, I want me journey. The creator me give all of me glory. And when me make it in a life, I'll always memorize all who will make true me strive. Run girls, I love them, man. Come on, run already there. You stand over there. That's it, the girl there. Also, man, one of my girls is going to be a man of them crew. One of them. Big up to the man that don't say, I want them straight. Let me ring through one minute, hear me. Come here. Hear me up. Only girls. Love for girls alone. But they are love bug. And I go right, no wrong. Only woman alone can't let me come. Only girls. I love for girls alone. They are love bug. And I go right, no wrong. Only woman alone. Yes, no. Yo. Pick up here, girl. Someone make it look hard to make that story. God, yeah, this guy knows it's a white man. That one don't care when they go to check it out. Them one that have been front. We don't get it such a lion story. Argument with Peter. Walking boring. As my bird, my heart. So walking curing. About the wine of me, I'm worried. Take them shirt off, and that's some people because some smoke off. Who wanna make so me not take no talk. People to come and work me down the journey. Girl from the land, put a girl from foreign. We are one girl, I ain't got no solid. Water the eye, I love it, she falling. Oh, I love girls alone on the other bump, and we are riding the road. Who wanna know what can make me go? Only girls I love. Girls alone. What the good looking girls out there? Some girl don't look good at night. Good looking girls. Good looking ladies. You look good at the man, don't you? Some girl when they come to the party and say they look good, but when they think I was a morning time, my girls look good in the night. Look good in the daylight. When they see certain girls, they feel my fright night, she likes a girl born big. They got them tight. They can't hold the man don't want them as wife. Girl I hold talk to me and she means to right. My girl I forgot. Well, like she not run the street. You know, nice. But money and fees, so right now, this song will be released by early next month. Because all the things I'm going to do, so I can't just see how deal with it. One brand new one there. Zion game. Alright, squeeze Zion game. Clean and your mind up lower, but no, you can't go up. And if you're multi-rich, but you don't look up the poor, but no, you can't go as I endure. And if you come to protect, when I saw you a bore, but no, you can't go as I endure. And if you make a life last, then you can't pay the gas, so no, nah, and I know laughter. All who are working, stop working, the whole that you look at me, not to see the creator. People them slip up, they want them to go further. But that's the one you want to see them and go under. Negative things you only wish for your neighbor. Negative things to reach your son and you're not the one to take a leave run. If you're being a water, you'll be so rich with happiness. Give me your riches for, extend your blessing. And someone alone, very depressing. Life can be very oppressive. No, if the world nobody's good, them man stretching. No, stretch out here, give them even another. Even a little but them can get it from another. You know, if you know a man, to give an help and remember poverty, no respect no one. If your heart don't lean and your mind of your world. And if you're multi-rich, but you don't know what you more, but no. And if you're coming for day, when I saw you a more, but no. And if you make a life last, then can be the gas. No, make it innocent and act magnificent. Wonder how you sleep if you don't have no guilty conscience. This happen frequent, happen to reset. Never get away, they not face no consequence. Then I think that happen really. Me want to talk to the whole world, hear me. We have to stand up and with every contract. Oh, every day, tell me for the operation.
We've been through the years of friendship with artists, group, Red Square. We are all here tonight to celebrate Carlton Grant, aka Experiments, the youth from Shatter, the youth from the ghetto, the youth that wasn't supposed to make it, that's right here. We follow him from when him our handsome boy with a trimming ear and do crazy things, and we say, what? You have to turn Rasta. And the youth deliver. Houston, Texas, if you love reggae music, put your right hand on the ear. Don't watch your things from butter. Spragabins. When I say Spraga, you say bitch. Spraga. Spraga.
find something. Make it roll. Come here, come on, you don't believe me for John Hill. Even for a minute, me a push it in still. Nothing like an hour of theoretical chill. Make me sleep better than a cup of night quill. Tonight suppose the night come here and the girl lay have a date. She call me after 5 and said to pick her up 8. Tell me pass the house and burn the corner and go. You must teach you flop me drop the ball. Me not go make this one way car hunting. Well, they have to find something. Well, pick a check on me when I got a pumpkin. When I marry it before I get the person. And if you're not in it, your body good, you're coming. You have the baby, doctor, we come in a man, carry you to Miami. Him left wifey, and him no want to have again. Don't mean you're better than them. What up, man, if you don't have a problem? Just come round, you don't have a problem. Because you must have your body not condemn. I mean, I talk to the hot girl them. Finally feeling safe and secure. I got everything here. So, your body good and it's a show. Look how your skin just like a ten and a glow. How what's up? Oh, you look sexy so. And then you got the heat here like happy no. Body good and it's a show. Look how your skin just like a ten and a glow. What could I what's up? Oh, you look sexy so. Ask you some questions. Tell me if you use and I didn't know that I'm me. You ever charge your murder for a baby? You ever take cosmetic surgery? Ball it down low in the ear and tell me your baba they are close on Sunday. You never report, Nick and Andy. You sure girls? I'm not so confident. Oh, you tell me if you're born with a natural beauty. Your boyfriend take it say you're sexy. Because some of them girls are not sure. Like they not know me around them yard. So they're asking again. Oh, why you tell me if you're born with a natural beauty? Your boyfriend tell you say you're sexy. Okay, alright, cool. That's yo, I have someone in the place, you know. Love me, you sit down at them face, you know. But some boy can't get no girl if they're not in. Some boy can't say nothing because they're not doing. Mariana tell me how she give it to you. That's why you see them in a pretty car out the street. And no boy can't get no girl if they're not in. And no man can't say nothing because they're not doing. Mariana tell me how she give it to you. That's why you see them in a clinic. No funny boy, the boy and the man they got bleach. Watch out what they tell the man who can't never preach. Shall you say you're not telling me they got a deceit. So me I take God by you they get each. But the boy we can't believe what's up now you eat. Tell them no what's up the man they never preach. No for them I might tell us so called night bleach. You will never know it like peach. Some boys can't get no girl if they're not in. Someone now say nothing about them are doing. Angela tell me. Okay, tonight I just show up this, you know. Yeah, watch out now. I want to want to see okay. When you want to stop like a jelly, I want to open your body, baby. I'm going tonight. I'm going to win a different tonight, you know. Alright. Youngster, well, a boy try to play on the outside, and y'all will step in and I'm going to be different tonight, and that's what I'm saying, you know. So big up all of the money, I'm going to say I'm different and I'm to the maximum. Yeah? Recommend again, Batman thing. A boy try to play on the outside, and y'all will step in and in my face. Now fear me bastard, and to a general and to a step in life. Bump up and fear. A boy try this when we play the general and step in my face. In my face. All dog talk to me, say that me step in my face. In my face, I got one night to live on me, now me no pump. Me now make the boy make me sleep on the bump. Me at the beginning, but don't think me jump. You would have get a magnum gun. Try play that the outside me, yeah. I will not give me for that and that in a lot with it. Bumbo glass here, a boy try this to me play the general and step it. Hey, in my face, the hard and fast ask me for the world with me. In my face, in my face, here white. Boy get right at a passing place. And I be a big top and we kick man face. Oh, we want no man for dealing with our case. The one in my bust off in face. Boy can't play that in the outfit, me girl. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. What remember them tune, yeah? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. We are taking way back. Yeah, yeah. Well, the young money up for Baba, stop for Baba. I'm the little man, I live up for Baba. Make them up to look at the man. They don't for Baba, stop for Baba. And I'm the one for Baba. They want to man when it's black. Yeah, they want to look for Baba, stop for Baba. I'm the little man, I live up for Baba. Make them up to look at the man. They don't for Baba, stop for Baba. And I'm the one. Big up his paradise. They got them on top and fit up them inside, outside, dash it. We just have run through them showcase. I know say I'm only for music, I'm only for years. And we give thanks to everybody who appreciate the music over the years, you know? Yeah, man, love. Okay. Well, I'm selected his speech. We got super twitch. When he's singing his speech. Yes. Cause they don't love him and show that rubbing no money bugging. And every man a keep on me got a bugging. I want to make for I fall. Who see every man a think like him a brother and a big up one another. What a pressure man a help them brother up the ladder. Money a run and every man a share the treasure. No man a say them bigger and better and richer. And push on his hand give a right a friend what a pretty picture. And we see every man a try and be no richer food a run and every man a eat. Well we a tell you about this. It's a subject to your enemy and the days. It's a subject dash it. Bumbo clad twitch. Kick it. Yeah. How many songs? I'm a selector this. Anything we spin, and that me DJ. So we're not even busy. We have too much time for play. Anything you say. Anything you say. And in Africa, your man go family code. I don't think they ever get the switch and go one go. I can't tell a girl come through. Nothing is how much fame that he put. Still like under a road. Trying to drive on the future we don't know way. Oh, say that, don't let it there. And so that's why I get some things to say. I'll find out straight, I'll tell you way. Yeah. That's the fuck I get the little wow. But then you will. Before y'all let my opinion of the face. I'm going to be one girl where you fuck up in your bed. You are the girl, you not there to your chest. You are do it and done, do it and done, do it. Alright, you hear what I'm doing so fast? Go on, don't stop. I tell them stop. Now I hear you. I got not enough time to just like the middle. Wait for the phone, take a different stuff now go. Hey, now when you have the good looking places there. Good looking ladies alone. And then I say, I got a little part to your flight to me. I got a drop out, one body and a trouble. And them a chat and them a chat and them a know. They all look better than you, big hour. Your man go look in your get. No, hold on. Never sing a song there again. Don't move. We just need to say, some girls don't born good looking. Don't lie. Some girls spend a lot of money to be good looking. I'm not talking at the gym. I'm not talking at the mall. Play it again for the girl. Born so tell the mother. Yeah. Now get looking when you get rich. Hey, you gotta be a party just like the do. Jump on one with them to the do. And them a chat and them a chat and them a do. And them a do. This is a girl. You're born good looking, you get got this thing on man. You come on and see. You know what to get a boyfriend that don't know problem. So everything is girl, you say you're born good looking, you get got this thing on man. You talk out and white. You know what your face and your shape is a match up the game. You need to pick and love it. It's like say, if you will go out and come and attack, everyone that never send to your request. And to me, body where you have and that drive man, man, that's what you will want to take. Can you have it different, you know, easy to get. You don't worship nobody thing. A one man would if I can come take a ride off for your expensive body, big hour. You want to go looking, you get got.
One more for girls. I know the strawberries come out and get wrap them well. I don't know about some of the things that why we want this one. It's one. So you never look at your man, I am look you. So you know the way I can't say I do. You know the guy friend and you not scream pop party. You know we wear shoes and a frock. No, you know the
Depend on how she don't like your food. She not see the fuck for you wear new clothes. Independent, you wanna know that. So let them stand there and chat. When them a talk, you must step up in a life. Be there. You not for life, then you can see you in. You are dealing with progress. Them girl, then you might go and fearless. And them a go there and dance. I should have find my girl. Can't cook and clean, nothing she can't do. You make your man feel comfortable, that's why. He might want to come to you. So you never. Give me some for the youngster, them up. For the youngster. I think you understand that one. Can you come here, say after? I always get some people start riding bus on this side. Motherfucker, that's not all. Yo! I'm gonna say, think about all the youngsters that are yours. Right now. I want to tell you. Well, if I got me, say, man, can I pay from the man went on there? And then again, say this ganja man, y'all are the worst. Mistake you would have made. Oh, come on, we are blinding there. Y'all think say, but and I pay from the man when man charge. I know my man don't think about massage. Took up road, me just deal with it on my backyard. Ready to collect the reward. Y'all are play big and all I wanna come out. Come in and me house, so check competition crowd. Who got the idea for me who are published out? All fast, you start pop out. If you man a walk and a lead the house, man a play. But y'all a big question cause them was man a gear. Show me love so easy, y'all take it the wrong way. But in a minute, she a go fear. So I look up the traffic of just picture pushing to one word. The man can't handle her and this man you stud. This man drink coke up and not drink God. Can you with the off like a skull? So when me know what y'all think she man turn up in front of man went from there. This ganja man. Yo, what is that gangster business you know? I said the man. I'm a virgin from a long time. Me and you come up in the business. Sit down and write men songs together. Big ideas together. And I want to name. Well, how would you feel if you wake up one morning and saw a big M16 as a teacher? Feel like you want this and pay what you can. Cause the police ain't not just me, son. Dash it there. When I started going on. Yeah. I am just started up. I'm gonna put the example on the girl can't tell them. Look at that deal. Oh, one thing real, I feel some pretty lucky. They look at them with a bad. You could have no hurricane. In a yard, in a boat, we must fly in the plane, put down. Oh, man, feel real, you're bubbling. I feel some pretty. Hey, the girl got them with a bad. You could have no hurricane. Give me one drop on it. Thanks to pressure. Not the fear. Not like the body. It's more right to the brain. Any girl I want 92 dread. Like she wants to go right. I got turn. Like, what do? Keep up. And I'm not that good kind of thing. No. All the gangsters in the youth done. Yo, stop from what I'm saying is that. This is the final match. That's
I roll on the window, she won't deny that. Empty the banana king. In the middle, pull them watch over the one that I kick on the top tail. Put them a kick, yeah, that's a gun. No, I wasn't nowhere near that murder scene you run. Above them, boy, they deserve the judgment. True like involvement in a be a rape and a rape. And enough about them. And when we go court a case to call, nobody know where judgment. We are burning marijuana in the chamber. Come go to friend them. Prisoner for us, we run them, yeah. A man word of gold and cut up, a man word of law. Yo, that's that. Yo, I have some boy, you know. I want to go home and straight them out. Yeah, yeah. But some boy, they go like them bad and some. But they want to come to rob and some boy. But they go them face and some boy. We say it's your love is that. But they want to come to Garland. And look at them and look on to war and some. But they want to tell you them a woman. Would you? Boy, they come with God and they come with them up. They say a fool and they go to happen. It's not about to get it over public owners. No, they come around, they back up and they pay them dues. If a man try this, he will not call the truth. That's the one that. And I want to put the girl in now. That one there, yeah. Back up, everybody in the family. One day, they get one, they get your money. Yo! Hey, if you are doing one love. Alright, come on, you see how I'm going to do it. Yo, this is a game, we ready to play it. This is a game, we ready to play it. This is a mic, we make me DJ. And I'm here, and the people them say, let's do it. Not that here. And you're waiting on me, she pushing. Why are you ladies? I'm sick. When everything about the money, yeah. And you think you're gonna get away? Change your mind, you're going home. You're going home with me tonight. So let me Look, because it's not just about Batman, you know. You have some girl too, you know. Them go with them bestie.
Wagwan star.
And then bestie getting a a little confrontation because another girl step on her foot and pop out her ear and wet her up or something over some man who she never control over. And because of that, you know what the best to do? I'm going to the bathroom to the ladies' room and see back in a minute. How kind of best to that? Yo, how kind of best to that? That's the bottom of this. Yesterday. Step up to the plate and say what you do. I'm a friend. Yeah, I said again. So put let's quit. We don't give up for them on the hood. Out of life, you must be a follow my dance. But this is not my dance. Nothing can make them over my part. When I give you a fight, don't let me never fight. Now I see you want to die like that. Nothing like how we go for like that. I got a woman in our night, and this is full of pride. I love you like a fight, I'm up for life. I got to keep the pussy tight. Keep over in a candlelight. Y'all are come up in our life. Y'all are come up in our life. Y'all are when I feel that party bike, when I feel like party bike, I'm a bike. When I feel like we take a hike. Two of me go and get up to me, that's crazy. If I feel like women are tired and lazy, girl get free, just like it's amazing. And give me a bottle of fiesta. What if I fuck you with me, baby, and we never fail? Y'all are making poor, I'm about to punch you. Boys, you don't fuck me here. But if you want to do something, you're going on life. You fucking up by your side. And like one time rude boy, when you come say could I just carry home a girl and decently, you know, rub her down and caress her up and, you know, touch her in certain places and she feel good and you feel good and no. Nowadays, you have to fling her over there so. You have to pop out her ear and drag her ear so. You have to choke her till her eye them come out from. She needs wicked love. She need it. Yeah. Hey, what I want to name, a keen belly and strong girl. So she want get tangled. And your pretty room and tangled. So she want get tangled. Pull up with the mating gangle. So she want get tangled. She alone angle. Feel the whole of the belly. Give me a different song. Give me a different song, because you understand what I'm talking about, right? Okay. I'm sing it to you, I'm just sing it. No, come on, do it. Come on, do it. Because they don't need to know. That one in here. She need wicked love. She need it. She need it. Yeah. So that one in here, cocky and baby and strong girl. So she want to get angle. Tie up with the rope and tangle. So she want to get angle. Wanna put the dating gangle. So she want to get angle. She alone uncle. Feel when the whole of the belly dismantle. Yeah. Stop laughing, man. Sure. Sex up, make sure say you're good at that. Girl, you know I love soft love, do that. Sex up, make sure say you're good at that. Girl, you know I love soft love, do that. Girl, they will understand them when you like clock 6:30, 6:45, do that top 6. Yo.
go down in the corner and the next slap. Boy, you come with too much love and tenderness and she left that. Cause when you check back, cocky in a belly and skin. She want I'm a bad Texas people in the football, you know. I'm a great guy for myself and I'm still out for myself, you know. Come on, every day is a different dilemma. Never know we would have problem like them. You want all the fight, taking with peace and never win. Negative energy on the antenna. People are hustle and a struggle, yet them can't find a dinner. And all kind of thing them get up in. And when it's all done, some even dinner. My country full of results and the paper foreigner. Yo, take a look on what's going on. Take a look what's going on. You take a good look around. If you're free to see what's going down. You take a look what's going on. Take a look what's going on. You take a good look around. If you're free you will see. The worst thing is you're born with your sight and lack vision and can't see the way they live type division. It's like rich black people investing in prison when the nation needs to be risen. But we really need more ambition, some more righteous fight upon mission. The world system says we don't press the black youth and say that we have no ambition. But we got to change its condition. So where we got to make the transition? Is it mean live up on some munition and fight for freedom non-stop till fruition? Drop something to politician where you make national set them in foreign acquisition. And when the rich get spent in the treatment, them have to straighten up on the right to suspicion. So take a look at what's going on. Take a look what's going on. That's it. Reality. Alright, reality my brother say now. You have some lady in the dance and some man right now in the dance and look good in a bumbo cloth and then pick me hungry, you know. You know. I know the latest iPhone, whatever it is, must be 13. Yeah. And then pick me away at Skechers. Not saying nothing wrong with Skechers, you know. But not when you're away with it. You understand? Yeah. That one in here. That one in here. Me not done. I see some people are buying for my shoes already, but I don't know, no one then wear them thing. I'm not really practice it. I $20 for my shirt and $10 for this hand. You see me I say? Yeah. So let me talk from early. Let me tell you why. I want your name. Me not done my own from Prada. You mad? Me done have clothes on my radar. Enough man spend them last to go shop a balaba. Long as me have life, me give thanks to the Father. Cause me no need brand when me full up a swagger. And clothes are come off when girl get dagger. To both time harder, me tin out and maga. Enough clothes, no fit right, no matter how much we spend. We still, I wear jeans, no matter how much for them. A shirt, come back, and the max are $10. For anything, dog, as long as it blend. For me, look, to eat that, my good. Me tell them, name gonna put food on the table, no. Gonna feel like that table, no. Gonna feel like what? Pull up. Now get them up with it. One of them understand me, I said. Me not done my own pan Prada. You mad? Me done have clothes on my radar. Enough man spend them last to go shop a balaba. Long as me have life, me give thanks to the Father. Cause me no need brand when me full up a swagger. And clothes that come off when girl with Spraga. So out time, all of me tin out and maga. Enough clothes, no fit right, no matter how much we spend. But still, I wear jeans, no matter how much for them. A shirt, for my back, and the max are $10. For anything, dog, as long as it blend. For me look neat to eat that, my good. Me tell them, name brand no put food on table, no. Name brand no pay light and cable, no. Name brand no make it like more stable. Someone spend them last and I want let them be able to what. Name brand no put food in a pot, no. Name brand just in a music a lot. Why? To make you feel like you need it. Open your neutrality, even if a cheap boot and socks. Hey, cool, me rather cheap boot and socks. Worse when we see the boots are tax. Me not go buy nothing for proof and chat. But when we see it, my have it be truths and facts. Sure, well if you're rich by all means, go buy some. Name brand nice and I don't know if you try some. But me not buy it when my house a slide down and my family hungry dog. Me rather not buy none car. Name brand no put food on table now. You wear clothes, me no wear money. Me no wear money. Me no buy self-confidence. Regular jeans and shirt and shoes clean and me ready to be the wife of the president. Just my speech and pretty teeth and composure, leaking intelligence. Learn my lesson, come my mother good money spend. And same thing they teach my children. Say, name gonna put food on table now. Name gonna be a light on table now. Name gonna make it like food table. Someone spend the last and I'm gonna let them be able now. Name gonna put food in a pot. No, name brand just in the music a lot. Why? To make you feel like you need it.
But me I tried it even if I cheap boot and socks. That me say. You want one new song before me couldn't do that. Something brand new. Something I got to put my next album for come.
Yo, what's up?
Hold on. Once I big up all of the people and once again who've been following the career from day one. You see me? Big up the Spiders and all of the other beautiful ladies in the house tonight. Yeah, we have a new movie to come out, supposed to come out in July. It named Second Chance. We have feature a big nose one, yeah. And the next mad one over there, so.
English should matter.
Yeah, British. And Jenna. Yeah, it's a man. And we have a new album. We just have a new album put out last year. Who know it? It named The Journey Chosen. And we're on the tour right now. And we have a next album for come. So September again. We have to do one of the new songs them. Where my face and ladies are like. Yeah, this one. Cause I have some lady, you know, them show off the bomber clock on the Twitch, but one way they make me tell you why. Bounce it up for me. Bounce it up. Yeah. That one for the confident ladies I'm alone. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. That's why I make mine. Kind know. Yeah. Yo, me like it better when you win on the moon. Cause that get you creating, cause that get people pretending while I'm crazy. We are never be little, you know you so rude. I wouldn't be overstating when I say you like you making seriously contemplating. If I should have make a move, secure you know forever, that money they know regular the pussy. It's a treasure sticking like gorilla glue. Sometimes me I love you when you give me attitude, but me say the pussy never moves. You couldn't do that. Yeah, me say if your body never goes. You couldn't do that. And me say if your pussy never so me must have go. You couldn't do that. And me say if your summer never goes. You couldn't do that. You couldn't make me ready again. Back to back, you couldn't make me you left already and me want you back. You couldn't make me done with every girl me have been a big flock and just a wait for you think of a release your body got a show couldn't make me like on your phone. You dial to and fly you up. Go back kill the phone you have go around your man and watch. Like a you alone to get the dog in when you want to watch it. Touch yourself I want to listen to your one mommy say if your pussy never go. You couldn't do that. You can me say if your body never go. That's the truth. Folks you want to take for your man I could have a hand. But not if you get up to my trust. Are you walking in the ring and you are getting caught in your shit. Yeah, come back and watch. She get what? Folks you want to come in and you miss it with a sex up. Oh, well I can't watch car. You are not thinking. I want to God. Folks you want to come in the show. Folks you want to your man can't put it open. You will get up when they want to because you know you will have a bad. Folks you want to be me. Folks you want to take your man cause you're your face when it's just a back of fast and place. You know you're not even not here. Sing again. Folks you want to I'm telling you what's not here to get down like that. Big artist. Enough kind of name. Big artist in name. This is not Tony Matara. This is big artist. String up the big artist thing. Yeah. Right, so. Yeah. Every night.
Probably I know some another on it. That's a legend tonight.
So I'm gonna sing two songs over. First, make a connection on the finger from my shoulder. And you make sure my body on the second shoulder. I'm the first to sing. They're gonna make the next. And if the next year I've heard about the things. But mommy don't show me that I'm in place. Because you're more than good. I know she man out there. Back here, we try to run and never run away. If you never face the devil, then the destiny. That's how the world up on the street, they get myself of me. Matter than snacks or that. Just them up against the wall. They can never hard. But then I'm saying loud. Oh, she black and ocean, bro, she fucking in the ground. And I know that.
I come 5 minutes, you have it? If I was sexing you and I came in 5 minutes, would you be vexed? Oh, you can't be vexed in 5 minutes. You know why? If me come quick on the pussy, then I good thing that and by 5 minutes I go say good that tight and fat. Never expect that. And I flap me flap. Be proud that your pussy don't play me on the clock. I'm gonna stop and I'm stop and I'm gonna stop. Give me an excellent lecture. Big up all the good as got them. Ladies, you know you're good as you're good man and everything. Alright, listen, good as them, you are good as it. Good as them, you are good as it. You know chicken and good as it. Who walk out and tell them you say, Baba, me. I never thought that she really can now. Baba, me. Look at them nice, everybody there. Hey, look at them when they get some like a face spot. I'm just throwing out a whole body now. Don't make me go check out the heel back. Any man that be a pussy they will fat. You must call out the poor one to that. You know man can't let all the like that. Good as them girl you want good as it. Good as them girl. Give them the reverse. Come make them girl a wine later. Reverse. Alright, fix up yourself, girl. Fix up your place. Show them your body and show them your cute face. Go out and run the center time. You know it's the boy can't find you out and say you're buying our taste. Walk out and hold up your head. You want good as you know run your body red. Put on your clothes, the whole of them are there. Some of them are hyper man and they never bed. Somebody gives them money, whole of them cure. Your baby father is a son. Hold up that. Hold up, blood sex. Over blood carpet, find the smash sex. Pinky, alright. Sit down on it, balance on it. You're not going to mix up with that. Back up on it, find the big climber. But not necessary, never need to be a club, but no, we couldn't hide it. I just sit up on the body balance and I ride it. And I put it right, I'm on the side. When she said, fuck it out to it. And now we're pushing it out because somebody left me. She said, you want the hot fuck, think about plenty. Reload it and it's empty. Let me really run off with. I can say anytime I touch the road, I better be sure. Get a gun of before, better up the seashore. I'm on the drive around for me, take a detour. When you hold them, and then you can get down, jacket over, got the body, future photo. I know you want it down, the body to the body, head sore. When I say me, I'm making a stack and it's store, when it's a head store. Roll! One of them! Big up brother Spragga them, brother Super Twitch, brother Bronco, brother Del Dio, brother Fanta Kieran. But we see that one of the girls, they can't even see, they stepping at the club and dance over the club and the girl come on. They send to talk back against the wall, now she want climb up for me. Kinda little tricky, I'm checking on Nicky, but the time is up for me. The way the girl wine is like the breeze of blow. Miss Awesomeness, alright. Dirty wine, dirty wine, dirty wine, dirty wine, dirty wine, dirty wine. Watch the girl, never be dirty wine, dirty one, my girl, dirty one, my girl, dirty one. Watch Drea, we never know what Drea. Bend your back and lift your head up. Turn side real, lift your leg up. Bend your face and twist it up. Turn two side like you know you're fed up. Turn round like you know roast up. Spin around like you know how to fuck. She lift it up, back it up, back it up. Adria, do the dirty one, do the dirty one. Watch all the girls ever do the dirty one, do the dirty one, do the dirty one. Drea, I saw you come from. So fucking at the water, fucking at the sea, fucking at the bushes, and fucking at the tree. Fuck on the bed, she not fucking me. Fuck on the floor, fuck on the TV, fuck on the dress, and fuck the gary. Fuck on the fat, love you, the gary. See the ass girl, left back, she got me, and then we go get me, we want to be fucking me. So, one of them, two of them, three of them, I will run them. One of them, I will run them. One of them, Spragga. Give me the beer in there. Let me see how them girl are one. Starting with sex and pleasure. Starting with sex and pleasure. Sex and pleasure.
pussy and walk it wide. Post this big long cock inside. Feed to the gully and the gully side. She love money, me and that morning right. She don't need to sit up and back up if you back up. Why if you wine and back up if you back up. In a business, I never stop jack up. Big girl, never know we're not just a little frack up. Next man gonna come back. It's simple like that. Hey, I will have to come from another world. But every time they see me rolling with some other girl. Yes, I reserve to whatever Jerry will lock the mama. Tell me about my problems every fucking day of my life. All of the ladies around the world wanna be my wife. Now they see me never stop, we will never learn. Matter man is here and you just spread a return. So it's what they gotta do to stop the sunshine. What they gotta try to take what it's time. They gotta say the way to get that out of bed. But it's what they gotta do and make a new sound. They gotta say the day is so long. They wanna learn that I am the man. I tell them, when we know you know them, when we got it, but man, the way she's doing, come on, we're not trying to tell them what this town is, they want you to do that, that's a bring, now big something going free, but man, now we're trying to the top of this mountain, and I get great, left them in things we are safe, because they know what the woman to go, they say no, all them people, they don't want them like they go, but that one over in the mountain, sure that they never get a fatal blow, so, when they don't see what goes up on man way, kind of body the bad man I play. We don't bow down to them, I make them nothing. Cause them a turn the rough man. Brother, the money now make and everybody want cry. Who the lucky one, the one to ride or die. People tell me every day you look to the sky, get a slice of the cake or a piece of the pie. Run into the river but the well gone dry. Stocks going up with every day gone fly. Flying off a big the day gone fly. We will never make it, yeah we can't day gone try. So why you put the blame on we? You think we're making money through the flames on we? I seen fools try to game on me, saying brag and day, but it's rain on me. So why you put the blame on we? You think we're making money through the flames on me? The poor and the needy, that's the name on me. So what we tell them? We are Giannis, some birds, some boy, just a flirt, around of them all. We are Giannis, some birds, some boy, come on, flirt, around of by your chest and then you cock up in the ear. She move down next belly. I'm watching disappear. She ball and like a blood clot. Oh, the pussy tear, but with a fear. Fuck make the neighbor's ear. Brace up. Now she drop on the top like a chair. Heart like a drum. Y'all to overcome your fear. Fucking tonight and there's nothing compared to when we choke your blood clot and drop down your ear. Stop it. DJ. Remember you sing that, right? So we like to miss out the ball. We put that in that. We go hold on and joke grind them shot. We go kill and know that shower and kill them jump. We go to the office and run down this bad guy. Say them a this one and them a shirt. And them a attack and them a eat the shirt. And them a on it up. Wait a minute. Hey, woman. Everything in the house, come on, get take your man. I'm not sure I think you're going to make your money on this fast. I know. But for mama, stop love vagina. I love vagina. When I fat that flat vagina. When I shave her hairy vagina. And nothing can make me stop love vagina. I want to sing this song. This also going to speak up this out. All the lovely mothers in here tonight. If you're a mom, you're a mom, right? You're a mom. Alright, yeah. You're not breed yet? You're not breed. So that song after every female in here who is a mom, except you. But for the future, mom, you're gonna be a future mom.
but they're just too hard. Pick up the single moms who work two jobs. Love the kids and never stop. With gentle hands and heart of a fighter. My mom's a survivor. She's a survivor. And she gets up nothing like my mom is a real provider. I know she's a fighter, so I stay beside her. She ain't the impossible, she's like a MacGyver. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Welcome, Texas.